So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing and review of this mechanical keyboard which is from CosmicByte, and the model number of this keyboard is CB-GK-Firefly, and it is a 10 keyless RGB mechanical keyboard. So I ordered it from Amazon on the Republic Day sale at a price tag of around 2.5k, and it was quite a good deal according to me. I have been using this keyboard since 1 month, so I will be sharing my thoughts about this keyboard with you guys and tell us whether you should go for it or not. It comes in this sort of a packaging from Amazon, which is a bit disappointing as there's no adequate padding provided, so the keyboard might get damaged. On cutting the outer package, we find the brand packaging of the keyboard, which is quite decent, I would say. There's nothing much fancy about the packaging. Pads are provided, and yeah, it's quite good. The keyboard is completely made up of plastic, guys, and on my first impression I found that it is quite a bit heavy, although it's a 10 keyless keyboard. The cable provided is braided, guys, and the quality is quite good. On the back side of the keyboard we find rubber pads for grip, and we also get two holders which will help us to type with a slanted angle. And unlike any other budget keyboard, it has sparky RGB, which means that you can control the RGB of each key with the help of software. However, you can change several effects with just by pressing the function key and the INS key. You can also control the brightness of the keyboard by pressing the function key and the arrow up arrow down key. Since it is a mechanical keyboard, so you can just remove the keys and clean it. Although you don't get any keycap holder with the keyboard, but you can just remove the keys with your hand, and it's quite simple. As you can see, you get Otemu blue switches with this keyboard, which is not as good as Cherry MX, but you get value for what you pay for. Now coming to the main part, that is its sound, the reason for which you buy a mechanical keyboard, right? So here's the sound, which is quite satisfying according to me. Now let's just cycle through all the built-in effects that you get with this keyboard. So as you saw, guys, the RGB effects in this keyboard are amazing, and when you turn off the light it looks completely dope, and there are a hell lot of effects that you will never get bored of. Now coming to the pros of this keyboard. The build quality of this keyboard is quite good, although it is made up of plastic, but it is not a cheap quality plastic. The price that you pay for is only around 2.5k, and you can't really expect aluminum or a metal frame design for a keyboard at this budget. The key sounds or the keyboard sounds are clicky and it feels satisfying. Overall, the keyboard feels quite sturdy and heavy. The quality of the cable is also quite good, and I just love the small compact form factor of the keyboard. If your desk space is small, then you can go for this keyboard, and I really found the size of this keyboard cute and it looks good in my desk. The only con that I found about this keyboard is that if you are not using the RGB or the backlight, then the keys are too dark and you can't really see all the keys, and it is not at all visible. Now coming to the conclusion as to whether you should buy it or not. So if you take my suggestion, I will definitely recommend you to get this keyboard There are a few keyboards from brands like Anti Sports that are available at this price point, but they are not completely RGB, and they are also not completely mechanical. They are either semi-mechanical, or you get some LED lights with this keyboard which are not fully controllable. This keyboard is also controllable by means of software, and I think this is a premium feature of this keyboard, as software controllability is only found in keyboards which comes at around a price tag of 10k, 8k from Corsair and other brands. So this is the most value for money keyboard that you can get, and I think you should definitely go for it. I will leave the link of this keyboard in the description below, and it will really help my channel if you buy from the link given below. So guys, if you think this video was helpful to you by any means, then do like and share the video, and if you are interested to see more tech unboxing and content, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post an awesome new video. Thank you and see ya.